Exciting times in Queenstown. Ski fields, after what, 2 weeks, are finally reopened. We are officially at level 2. So we are gonna go up for the last night of night skiing here over at Coronet Peak. Right before the lockdown, the plan was to go night skiing and then COVID messed everything up. But now the fields are reopened. Night skiing was supposed to end of August, and they said we're gonna do one more night ski session Wednesday night, 4 to 9 p.m. Also considering it's $139 for a lift pass, and if you're doing night skiing, it's half that price, $65. There's my board. Let's go.
Saying hello to me.
Hello.
Hi.
Hello. Ready, Sam? Got your gear?
Ready.
All right, let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go. Locker room's reopened. Berg Burger's reopened. They're playing Michael Jackson. Queenstown is slowly returning to normal. Not fully. We're still at level 2. Not much to complain about, really. New Zealand's had it good, not having lockdown for more than a year. We need to pick up some beverages. Kapai. 6-pack of your choice.
I get shaken a wee bit, hey?
We've got our beverages. We are good to go.
Thank you, sir.
Here we are, Coronet Peak. First time doing night ski here in New Zealand, and just look at this amazing view. We were able to get right up to Car Park 1, so I actually don't think there's a lot of people. Could mean that it's just the full effect of the lockdown, and we really are the lucky ones to be in Queenstown taking advantage. This is the rental gear jacket. I'm not a fan of the colors. Kind of washed out, like a snowboard jacket from 1998. Still heaps of snow. Patchy according to Sam, but still snowy. I guess we'll only really know once we get up there.
Hi. Welcome to Coronet Peak. Soon we'll be going up to the top of...
Fuck, what's it called?
Little Easy, Little Easy. Kapai.
I have the best guide right now. Look at that view. It's really scrapey snow here. Kind of slushy, not the best conditions, I guess. Alright, so Sam and I, we just crushed a couple runs. I think we're feeling more comfortable.
Yeah, boy.
A little icy, patchy, kind of gravelly snow. The sun is starting to set. Because we're at level 2, it's mandatory to have face coverings. Couldn't find my balaclava, so I'm wearing a COVID mask. Sam's got a lovely, fashionable knitted scarf, courtesy of Ling.
Woohoo! Big up to Ling.
Around the way.
That's a lot of ice.
His boss, Calvin. Hopefully he's not working today. He's supposed to be at work and he's here skiing. So we found ourselves in a bit of a predicament. I'm a very careful guy. I'm very strategic with the items that I put in my pockets. So I said, with these rental snow pants, I'm gonna use this pocket to put both my wallet and the car keys. Sam and I finished sculling our beers, and I'm just like, let me just do a quick check, make sure I still have everything on me. So I reach into that pocket, and what do I notice? There is a hole here, and my car keys are no longer in that pocket, and it's nighttime. So to find those car keys on those mountains is like trying to find a needle in a haystack. Anyways, I should have checked the pockets. Now I know for future reference. Luckily, Ling has a spare set of keys. We reached out to one of our mates who has a car and is willing to drive up the mountain.
To the mountain, you could bring some spare keys, and yeah, that's alright. I mean,
Thank you, Maggie. If you're watching this, you are a lifesaver.
bye, Maggie.
Let's not let that ruin the night skiing. It's sorted. Figured it out. Good job, Sam. Good thinking. Good thinking.
No worries.
Thank God Ling's got a spare set. Unfortunate. I'm gonna complain though to Quest and tell them your f***ing rental snow pants.
So we got stuck up the mountain and we had to stay.
Make them really feel bad. But then there's a part of me that would also feel a little guilty. I was up there, I was shivering, I was cold, I had no way down, so I had to walk down. Nobody picked me up. So can I get a free snowboard? Look how dark this trail is. It's quite dark. It's way too dark to be wearing goggles right now. It's been 4 days since we left Coronet Peak and since I lost my keys, and so right after that whole incident happened, I contacted Coronet Peak and told them what happened, thinking there's a chance, but I don't know, I think it's highly unlikely. You know, it'd be like finding a needle in a haystack. They reached out to me yesterday, and surprisingly enough, someone actually found my car keys. So they had them sent over to the snow center. So I'm gonna head over there to pick up the car keys. That would be thunder.
A rarity.
So when I returned my gear to Quest, I complained to them. I told them exactly what happened. The guy was so
I want
apologetic.
to talk to your manager.
Felt absolutely terrible as to what happened. So he told me, don't worry about it, I'll take care of everything. I'm gonna give you a full refund on your rental. The same day I got notification that they refunded me for it. So good on you, Quest. I really appreciate you helping me out.
Wait, I can't go in with you. I don't have my mask.
I lost my car keys up at Coronet Peak.
What kind of car was it?
It was a Toyota Camry.
If you weren't here.
Yeah. Can't believe someone actually found my keys. I'm just like dying to know where they found them. Did I drop them in the parking lot? Did they find them on one of the ski runs just sitting on the snow? Yeah. I was so sure they were gone for good. Thank you. They've been found.
Hey, nice.
If these did fall on the snow, you would kind of just...
Yeah.
Oh, Tiki! We meet again, Tiki. A happy ending to this tale of me losing my keys while snowboarding up on the mountain.